welcome to our channel. So in this video we have the sum of two sums. So these two sums are linked to the last video sums. I mean, in the last video we have the same 2x square plus 3x plus 9 is equal to 0 equation. We have find alpha square plus beta square and alpha cube plus beta cube. What is the alpha square plus beta square? Minus 27 by 4, and alpha cube plus beta cube is equal to 135 by 8. So these two sums are, so in the last video we find these two sums, that are the answers here, and alpha plus beta and alpha beta. So with these four equations we have to find the alpha square by beta plus beta square by alpha and alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. So we have to find the sums with this four. So in the last video which I have said these two sums. So in the last video for alpha beta are roots of 2x square plus 3x plus 9 is equal to 0. Then find alpha square plus beta square, alpha cube plus beta cube, and alpha square by beta plus beta square by alpha, and alpha by beta plus beta by alpha. So for this Roman we have the four sum. So in the last video we do these two sums. So in this video we do these sums. Okay. So if I say also in these two sums also in the last video. So the video is so much length. So that's why I have in this video two sums and in the last video two sums. So like that I have prepared. So here now let's solve the sums. So in the next video like this Romans 2-3 we will see. So then you can understand very easily. So without late, let's start. So here see alpha square by beta plus beta square by alpha. So this is a fraction. So addition fraction. So we have to add in the addition fractions we have two methods. What are the two methods? The first method is butterfly method. The second method is normal method. So here I will say two methods how to do. Okay, two are same output totally. Okay, see here. First butterfly method, not the normal method we will see. So beta and alpha means what is the LCM for beta and alpha? Alpha into beta is the answer. So alpha beta. Alpha beta is the LCM for this one. So here beta means here we don't have alpha. So alpha into alpha square. What is that? Alpha into alpha square. Plus here alpha has. So alpha, but beta not there in this one. So that's why beta into beta square. What is that? Beta into beta square. So see here alpha into alpha square plus beta into beta square. So in the butterfly method we will see now. So in the butterfly method, beta into alpha, like this, alpha beta. So same LCM. And like this means first do like this, alpha into alpha square plus beta into beta square. So here I had multiplied this opponents. So beta into beta square, alpha into alpha square. So these are the opponents or not? Opponents only. So that's why we can do in the butterfly method or in the normal method. Okay. See, alpha into alpha square plus beta into beta square means alpha into alpha square means here in alpha square how many alphas are there? Two alphas are there. Means alpha square means alpha into alpha. Right or not? Right. So now alpha into alpha means so alpha cube, right? So alpha square into alpha is alpha cube plus beta into beta square means beta cube by alpha beta. Two alphas are there and 2 into means so 3 alphas. Here also 2 betas are there and one more beta add means 3 betas are there. So alpha cube plus beta cube by alpha beta. So here now what is alpha cube plus beta cube? How to solve it? cube is 135 by 8. Okay. So substitute the values in the alpha cube plus beta cube place. So see here, what is the alpha cube plus beta cube? 135 by 8. So 135 by 8 by, what is alpha beta? 9 by 2. So 9 by 2. Okay, do you understand this one? So first step, second step, this is the third step. First step, second step, and this is the third step. So the fourth step is very simple. Write it in the, like this, in the horizontal you have to write. Means 135 by 8 into 9 by 2 is dividing 135 by 8. It will go to up, means it will reverse. So 2 by 9. 2 by 9. So see how the answer have. So now cancel. First now we will cancel. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 fours are 8. Okay. And 9 and 1, 3, 5. So see here 135 is go in the 3 table. What is the sum? What is the divisibility rule of 3? Sum of the digits. So add 1 plus 3, 4 plus 5, 9. So 3 in 3 table 9 is there. So we can write. 3 will go in the 135 table. We can cancel. So 3 3s are 9 and 3 4s are 12 and 1 will remain. 1 5 means 15. 3 5 is 15. Okay, here and 4. So 45 1 4 3 is the remaining. So 4 plus 5 9. So again 3 table will be gone. So 3 ones are 3 and 3 ones are 3 and 1 5. 3 5s are 15. So in 3 15s are 45. So here 15 by 4 is the answer here. See here. Right answer. 15 into 1. 15 by 4 into 1. 4. So what is the answer? 15 by 4 is the answer for this one. So see here how simple it is. So third step and fourth step, and in the fifth step was answer only. So how many steps here? First step is do the LCM and write like our butterfly method. And second step is multiply this. Okay. So alpha into alpha square, alpha cube, beta into beta square, beta cube. So substitute the value of alpha cube plus beta cube. Alpha cube plus beta cube is 135 by 8. And alpha beta is 9 by 2. And then reverse it and then 2 by 9 it will come. So cancellations. So the answer is 15 by 4. So it's this sum also like this. It's very easy. See here. Beta into alpha. So alpha beta. So write some little bit down. So now beta is there. So alpha is not there. So alpha into alpha. Alpha into alpha is alpha square. Okay. So directly I am writing here. Alpha into alpha is alpha square. Plus here alpha is there but not beta. So beta into beta. Beta square. Or in the butterfly method, alpha into alpha, alpha square, beta into beta, beta square, and beta into alpha, alpha into beta. Or here you can write beta alpha or alpha beta. Anything. Okay? See here, alpha square plus beta square by alpha beta. So alpha square plus beta square is, here we have alpha square plus beta square already find. So what is the value? Minus 27 by 4. Substitute the value. So minus 27 by 4. By what is the alpha beta? 9 by 2. Okay? Now reverse it. Minus 27 by 4 into 2 by 9. It will reverse means denominator will go in the numerator will go in the denominator. So here minus 27 by 4 into 2 by 9. So cancel it. 2 ones are 2 and 2 is 4 and 9 ones are 9 and 9 threes are 27. So here 3 into 1, 3, 2 into 1, 2. So minus. Okay, so the answer is minus 3 by 2. So for the first step, second step, third step. So here we have counted in 3 steps. So here 4 steps. Here in 3 steps. Here also you can do here. Or beta means beta is just alpha. Alpha into alpha square is alpha cube. And beta into beta square is beta cube. Directly we can write. So without this step, we can write directly in this step. So see here, what is the answer? 3 by 2. So alpha square by beta plus beta square by alpha is equal to 15 by 4. And alpha by beta plus beta by alpha is equal to minus 3 by 2. Okay, clear all of you? So this is the first Roman in 4 sums. So first sum alpha square plus beta square. Second sum alpha cube plus beta cube. And then third sum. And then fourth sum. Okay. So this is the first Roman was completed within the formulas. Means in formula how to use these formulas. This is the first Roman. In the next video we will see the second Roman how to use the formulas alpha square plus beta square and alpha cube plus beta cube. So until then, bye bye. Please subscribe our channel and like, share with your friends and family members. Thank you.